Comparer. As most tabs in Burp, we can send data to the comparer from other functionalities. Go to the proxy HTTP history and select 2 requests. Then, use the context menu to send them to the comparer tab. We can choose between requests or responses. Let's go with responses. Note how the comparer tab was highlighted. I'm going to switch to the comparer tab now. We have 2 large panels containing the same data and some buttons on the side. The buttons allow us to paste data from the clipboard, load data from a file, remove items, or clear the entire list. A bit lower we have another 2 buttons which determine how the comparison is displayed and actually open the result window. We can choose between words and bytes, but don't worry because we can switch between them after the result window is displayed. The words option just does a word-by-word comparison, matching strings enclosed between white spaces. A byte-by-byte comparison may be useful in some particular cases, especially when dealing with binary content, but not limited to it. Let's choose a word comparison. In the new window, Burp highlighted the modified words with this reddish-orange color. Note that we can see a color legend at the bottom of the window. Blue for deleted and yellow for the added stuff. We can switch how we view the content between text and hex for each comparison member. There is also a sync view option, which does what you expect. It selects the same viewing mode for both the compared items. Furthermore, Burp will automatically scroll both items when we scroll in one direction or the other. We cannot observe this here as the contents is too small. Note that Burp also displays the number of differences it finds as the caption of the result window. Let's close this one and choose different items. I'm going back to proxy HTTP history and I'll choose a couple of different responses by using the send to comparer option from the context menu. Switching to comparer, we see that we have more entries and Burp automatically highlighted the phrases data for us to perform the comparison. Let's compare them and see how it looks. Again, note how Burp highlights changed, deleted and added items and leaves common things untouched. Now, we can try the sync view option. Note how Burp automatically scrolls both panels for us. Let's close this panel and move on.